I'm not really sure what's happening here, but it's definitely not working as it's supposed to. Look at that. It's definitely not burning cleanly, and we need to do some maintenance of some sort, so we need to figure it out. There's a lot of soot. Really sooted in the exhaust area. Okay, so we have a yellow orange flame in there. I think it's supposed to be blue, but I am going to start by loosening this screw and this screw, and I'm going to check for anything in here, cobwebs or anything else. That is really sooted. It's the first really nice warm day we've had in quite some time, basically since we've gotten back from Florida. Uh-oh.
I see it. It's right there.
Thank you. This is extra dirty right now because of all the sooting, and I am going to glove up. Plus this is sharp metal, and I just have a knack for cutting myself. Wow, that is black. It's like, I don't know if you can see in there, but it's really, really dirty. Oh, wow. I think I want to take this one. With all that soot flying around, I gotta put an overshirt on because I won't be able to go in and sit on it.
Particulate formation.
Whoa.
Like diesel exhaust. Fire it again.
I'm taking a shower after this. You better dump and fill.
Fire it again.
Next, Next, I'm gonna loosen this screw here and this screw here. This is all one piece, sort of like a tray. So I'm going to take this piece off here. This is a 1/4 ratcheting husky. I jacked these off of my best buddy Bill with a bunch of those metal straws. These are used to like clean the straws, and he didn't want them anymore, and I was like, oh, I've got a use for those. This make it easier on myself. I'll put an Amazon affiliate link in the description box below for the Vire that we use in our truck bed. Alright, so I've kind of gone up slowly in size. I'm just kind of working these back and forth to loosen more of the sooting. I'm going to blast this again with air and see what we get. I've run this through a couple of times now. I'm going to put this one back first to hold this sort of onto this piece right here. So I'm just going to line it up. So I have a little play to line up my various screws, and there are a fair number of them. I'm putting them in, but not tightening them all the way down yet. I just need to remember to go back and tighten everything. Okay. This is super sharp, so be mindful if you're doing this horribly dirty project. Connect my ground again. Oh. This gets plugged into this. I've snugged every screw at this point, with the exception of this one, because when we fire it, I'm going to be able to adjust the amount of air going through the tube into the burn chamber. All right, so all the screws are in, the ground is back, everything has been blown out and cleaned. This is plugged back in, and I think we're ready for a test fire. Andrew, would you please go turn on the water heater for me?
Yes.
All right, Andrew's gone inside to turn it on. Well, got a lot of burning in there, orange flame. I'm just gonna scooch this.
That sounds pretty good. What's it look like?
Well, it's mostly blue flame with a little bit of orange. I kind of like that. It's clear and blue. There's the occasional orange, but it's really blue. It's not popping, it's not screeching, there's no pinwheeling.
It sounds smooth.
And it does sound smooth. I'm much happier with the way that sounds. It's less of an explosion and less of that like popping and whistling sort of inconsistent sound. It's like a soft roar. So I'm going to close this up because it changes how the airflow is a little bit. Before I put the screw in here, I just want to hear it and listen to it. In that window, I can see blue. Not popping, not pinwheeling. I think it's better.
Now we just have to wait for some hot water so you can shower.
Oh yeah, I can't wear any of this inside. As I move around, I'm like shaking the flaky stuff that was coming out of the chamber out of my clothing. And so it's basically gonna be like step inside the Airstream and like strip down and throw everything back outside the door, because if I bring it all the way through, I'm gonna be tracking it everywhere. Good thing I painted this door black. Hopefully this solves the sooting problem, but it's time for me to go take a nice hot shower.